Picture this: two automotive titans locked in an epic battle that's reshaping the future of transportation. In one corner we have Germany, the century-old master of combustion engines, home to legendary brands that defined luxury and performance. In the other corner stands China, the ambitious challenger armed with innovation and determination to dominate the electric vehicle revolution. For over 100 years, Germany wrote the rules of the automotive world. Names like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen became synonymous with engineering excellence. When you thought of premium cars, you thought German. They didn't just build cars, they crafted driving machines that set the global standard. But then came the electric revolution, and suddenly the rules changed. It's like watching a chess master having to learn a completely new game. While German automakers were carefully planning their electric transition, China saw an opportunity and floored the accelerator. Here's where it gets interesting. Chinese companies like BYD, NIO, and XPeng aren't just making cheaper alternatives. They're creating sophisticated electric vehicles that are turning heads across Europe. We're talking about cars that cost 20% less than their German counterparts, packed with technology that makes some traditional luxury features look outdated. The numbers don't lie. Chinese EVs are flying off European dealership lots while German manufacturers are watching their market share slip through their fingers. It's not just about losing sales, it's about losing their identity as the world's automotive leaders. But don't count Germany out just yet. They're fighting back with massive investments in battery technology and innovation. German engineering pride runs deep, and they're not about to let a century of automotive leadership fade away without a fight. This isn't just about who sells more cars. It's about economic power, technological leadership, and national pride. Thousands of jobs hang in the balance. The outcome of this electric vehicle war will reshape not just the automotive industry, but the global economic landscape for decades to come. The question isn't just whether Germany can adapt, it's whether they can do it fast enough to maintain their position as automotive leaders in this new electric era. The clock is ticking and the world is watching.